so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl C Money. If you don't know already, like I said, you guys, I'm bringing you guys this a natural hair vibe series. Some wigs I may don't like, some wigs y'all might like, some wigs it's gonna be really different for me, but I'm bringing you guys a series like I promised. This is episode 2 of my natural hair wig series. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all know at the end of this video I will give my honest opinion at the end of the video. So let's get into this wig, okay? So you guys, this is the Sensational texture half wig, you guys, and this is the curls kinky, and the style is a Rainmaker in the color 1B, you guys. So basically I'm just showing you guys all of the information. It's basically more about the wig. It's a blowout look. That's the look you're going for, and it gives you the instructions, what type of cap and all of that stuff, like basic information that I am sharing with you guys today, and the specs of this wig and everything like that. They do come in 4 different other colors: 99J, F1, F1B, 30/30, F1B/BG, F4/30. So it come in 4 different colors. And you guys, right now I'm just basically showing you how I applied the wig and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna let this just play on out.
Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Okay, you guys, so you made it to the end. So let me tell you what my honest opinion about this wig. You guys, this wig is a big hair friendly, and I thought my head was big. I still know I got a big head, but this like a extra large big cap, because I had to go back, and y'all probably seen in the video, I tried to like tighten it up. It's still not as tight, and it don't have the, I love the combs. It don't have the combs. I believe it don't have the combs on the side, and I like that grip. So yeah, and y'all know I have fine hair, so I love that extra protection, but I can just put on my wig grip. So but yeah, but anyway, and some people don't like the combs anyway. Like I said, it's a big hair friendly. It's super soft right now. And let me know, do y'all want me to do updates on how the wig well, I probably don't wear it. It's probably 1 or 2 times. But let me know if you would like for me to, like, or either comment down below and let me know, and I will let you guys know how the wig is holding or whatever. But so far, you guys, I like this wig. It giving me, I just went and got a blowout on my natural hair, no perm, and I got some curls added in. It giving real hair vibes. So yeah. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoying these series. this series of natural hair vibes all September. So yeah, and it's good for the fall coming in, winter coming in. This is the type of hair you probably would want to wear, and you're not breaking the bank. And I will leave all links down below to find this wig. Yeah, and I have something to share with you guys in the next video, so you want to stay tuned to this series of natural hair vibes. I'm calling it natural hair vibes, okay, because that's what I'm giving all September, okay. So like I said, guys, don't forget to thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.